Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of this series, right? इसमें हम, as I said earlier, this is the first module where we'll be just talking about socializing. कि how do you socialize, how do you go about socializing? लड़कों से बात, लोगों से बात करना, just opening up. How do you exactly do that? ठीक है. तो आज हमारा जो पहला टॉपिक या पहला कॉन्सेप्ट है, पहले एपिसोड की थीम इज माइंडसेट. This is going to be the most crucial thing in everything that you're going to do forward. ठीक है, mindset is the main thing that really controls the outcomes. यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. A lot of people will believe कि भाई क्या फर्क पड़ना है mindset से, but I'm telling you भाई mindset makes all the difference. ठीक है, so I would want you to take it very seriously. ठीक है, and the mindset that I bring to you is everything is a win. Everything is just a step in the right direction. What do I mean by that? So most of the video will just be me explaining it. So when you are going to go on this journey, तुम अब start ही कर रहे हो, right? This is literally the first video. When you are going to go about this journey ना, everything that you do in the process, some things might sound very stupid, something maybe like कि भाई क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं. There might be not a clear purpose of why we are doing some things, right? But at the end of the day, you have to realize that everything that you are doing, if I have told you to do those things, those are in the direction of progress, and you have to trust me, believe me for that. You have to absolutely commit to it कि भाई निशान ने जो बोला है हम करेंगे, right? And that the fact कि भाई इससे results मिलने ही मिलने हैं. So you have to trust me on that 100%. You have to just do it 100% जिस तरीके से मैंने कहा है. Everything is a win mindset में ये भी तुम्हें realize करना है कि guys there might be bad incidents as well. It might so happen कि तुम किसी लोगों से बात करने की कोशिश करते हो and they are not very happy about it, right? They might as well like you know be disrespectful to you कि यार bro sorry don't want to talk to you या फिर I'm busy यार मत बात कर अभी. Anything that they say, the point being कि भाई you have to understand that everything is a win. You taking rejections is also a part of the learning process. क्योंकि I'm telling you भाई rejections will teach you a lot about who you are, right? Eventually life में तुम्हें rejections की practice करनी ही है, but to get rejected about who you are, right? मतलब that is just a part of the process. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम you are getting rejected for you are, because right now you are just in the process of figuring out who you are, right? So in the process of figuring out who you are, it may happen that you just approach someone, you just talk to someone and they think you are creepy or weird. Again, you are not creepy or weird, it's just that you do not know how to do it and you are learning it, and in the process that it might appear to them that your approach or your conversation in particular was weird or creepy, right? So it is on the onus of this basically conveying this thing is on you, okay? But at the same time, as I said, everything is a win. So you have to believe at the core कि भाई ये जर्नी अगर मुश्किल भी पड़ी, I have to believe in the fact कि जो भी हुआ है, जो भी हो रहा है, everything that is going to happen eventually is a part of the plan, is a part and parcel of the same thing, and it is going to give me results. So everything that I'm doing, it is a win. It has to be, there has to be no other way. It has to be a win. मुझे अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहा बट मुझे बाद में समझ में आएगा. सो दिस शुड बी द माइंडसेट. एंड एज आई एम सेइंग गाइस कि ये माइंडसेट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज गोइंग टू मेक ऑल द डिफरेंस वेदर यू आर गोइंग टू सक्सीड और नॉट इन दिस जर्नी. बिकॉज अगर तुम ये बिलीव करते हो कि भाई मेरे साथ बुरा हो रहा है, आई एम अ विक्टिम एंड एवरीथिंग, ब्रो, दिस इज रियली गोइंग टू हर्ट यू. दिस इज रियली गोइंग टू हर्ट योर प्रोग्रेस. सो एट द कोर ऑफ इट, एट द एंड ऑफ इट, वॉट यू नीड टू रियलाइज इज माइंडसेट इज गोइंग टू बी द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन होल ऑफ योर जर्नी. सो तुम्हारा माइंडसेट चाहिए हमें भाई कि यू बिलीव कि एवरीथिंग इज अ विन. दैट इज काइंड ऑफ द थ्योरी अबाउट इट. How do you go about in terms of action taking? So bro, a very simple task for you is कि भाई going forward, I want, maybe you can write a gratitude journal, maybe you can just write a journal, or maybe you can just set an alarm कि every day, or try to do it consistently, कि you will try to look at the positive side of things of whatever happened in the day, right? It can be anything, and especially if you can focus on the bad events and just find something good about it, that's what is going to help you, right? It is going to be a game changer, as I'm saying, guys, because most of the guys, they just have a bad mindset, and even when they get good, they still just go through this thing. This is still a problem. So I would suggest, guys, कि तुम्हें ये चीज़ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है कि this is, as I said, going to be a game changer. So focus 100% on it. So the action item for it is simple कि भाई focus on the bad things and try to find good in them. Focus, sit and like gratitude journal लिखने से भी सेम ही चीज़ होगी. और you can just get into a habit कि भाई जब भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में कोई नेगेटिव थॉट आते हैं, जब भी कोई बुरी चीज़ होती है, you pause for a second and you just tell yourself कि भाई there is a bigger plan, there is a bigger plan. So whatever happened right now, अभी इस टाइम पे with me, that is a part of the bigger picture. I'm not able to see the whole picture, that's why I don't understand, but it is eventually going to give me crazy results. My life is going to change. Okay. Pretty much this, guys. I hope it helped. Get started with it. Start doing it. एक और चीज़, एक्शन टेकिंग शुड बी पैरामाउंट, राइट। जो भी मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ ना इस वीडियो में, दैट इज हेल्पलेस, दैट इज पॉइंटलेस इफ यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सिट एंड डू अ मेंटल मास्टरबेशन है कि मैंने देख लिया भाई, मजा आ गया भाई, तृप्त हो गया अब तो, नहीं नहीं भाई, यू हैव टू डू वट एवर आई एम टेलिंग यू, ठीक है। बिकॉज एक्शन टेकिंग इज 90% ऑफ इट, थ्योरी इज जस्ट 20%, ठीक है। 20 और 90 तो 110 हुआ, लाइक 80% इज द एक्शन टेकिंग, 20% इज द थ्योरी। यू हैव द सफिशिएंट थ्योरी, नाउ गो अबाउट इट, ठीक है। I'll tell the action items further as we go ahead in this process. So guys, this was it for this time. See you in the next one.